The revolved boss allows us to take a two-dimensional profile and revolve it about a center line to create 3D geometry. Shapes that are axially symmetric, like this baseball bat, and this chess piece, for instance, can easily be created with a revolved boss. In this lesson, we'll be using the Revolve feature to create this part. When you create a sketch to be used for a revolve, it's important to think about the cross-sectional shape that will define the 3D geometry once it's revolved around an axis. In this case, our final shape will have a hole in the center. This could, of course, be created with a separate cut or hole feature, but in order to make that shape part of the Revolve feature, all I have to do is sketch the axis of revolution so that it leaves a space between the profile and the axis. You can add a dimension, and really, this dimension represents the radius for the hole that will be left once the Revolve feature is complete. With the sketch complete, just click Finish Sketch, and then click the Revolve icon. When I do, the options for the revolve appear. Since this sketch only had one closed profile, Inventor selected it automatically. Right now, the axis button is depressed. You can select any entity in the sketch as the axis to revolve around. As I select a segment, you see a preview, and I can reactivate the axis button to make new selections so you can see the different results. I'll reselect the axis button and select the line segment I sketched a moment ago that will leave the circular opening for the revolve. As with other 3D features, you can control the extents. The full option revolves the full 360-degree range. You can specify an angle and choose which side to revolve the geometry. Split it evenly to both sides, or choose different angles for each side of the sketch. The other extents let you select existing model geometry if you have it, but we'll switch this back to full and click OK. One last thing. Our finished part has filleted edges. This could be accomplished with a 3D fillet feature, but in some cases, you may wish to just break the sharp edges in the same sketch that's used for the Revolve feature, resulting in a single feature in the browser. To do this, I can right-click on the sketch and select Edit Sketch. I'll add the sketch fillets, Once they're added, I can click Finish Sketch, and the Revolve feature updates as you would expect.